Well, many companies are headquartered in Texas but are incorporated in other states like Delaware, making that state their legal home. So that means all corporate and shareholder disputes are handled in a different state from where they operate.
And over the past few years, the Texas legislature has made some changes to compete with states like Delaware. And we told you last week, Dell Technologies, which is already headquartered in Round Rock, announced it will make Texas its legal home.
Capitol reporter Dylan McKim examines one of the changes lawmakers made involving the Texas Business Court.
In 2025, there was a 12% increase in the number of out-of-state limited liability companies that filed to do business in Texas. State leaders point to changes they made in the legislature as the reason, including the creation of the Texas Business Court.
If you've got a family law dispute, it's going to a specialty family judge. If you've got a criminal dispute, it's going to a criminal court. It only makes sense to have specialty business courts.
Brad Foster is a partner at Haynes Boone. He said the new courts are staffed with expert judges who specialize in complex business cases.
We've got excellent courts, excellent judges, and they are now up and running and they are resolving complicated disputes.
The Office of Court Administration said 362 cases have been filed in the court since September 2024, and it has disposed 129 of those cases. One of the criticisms of the court is the expert judges are not elected. They are appointed by the governor and serve 2-year terms. Attorney Michael Smith, who opposed the court, said the judges should serve longer terms.
Something where there's more of a public perception that this person doesn't have to go back to the governor hat in hand every 24 months. And then have the governor say, well, I like these rulings, I didn't like these rulings.
Smith said he has not seen this become an issue and praised the efficiency of the courts. So what does this mean for the average Texan? Foster believes it could bring more companies to Texas.
Everyone benefits from having companies in Texas helping our economy thrive. And part of that is bringing the legalities of the corporation here too.
In Austin, I'm Dylan McKim.